Welcome back to Car Hub. Today we're checking out the 2026 BMW M3, a performance sedan that carries big expectations and BMW mostly delivers. I want you to picture driving a car that balances the thrill of a track beast with the daily reality of stoplights, errands, and maybe the occasional road trip. That's what the new M3 tries to be. From the moment you see it, the 2026 cubic meters tells you this isn't your average four-door. Aggressive stance, wide fenders, bold wheels, a signature BMW grille that leans more menacing than polite. It's muscular but polished. It feels like a car that knows it can rip, but also knows it must behave. Underneath there are multiple versions. The base M3 comes with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six producing around 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. It pulls you forward in a way that reminds you why people still believe in combustion engines. Rear-wheel drive with manual transmission is part of the offering, and for purists that is huge. Want more fire? Move up to the competition trim where output rises, torque improves, and there's also an RWD xDrive version for better traction, especially when weather or grip is sketchy. Acceleration feels serious. The base M3, RWD, launches okay, but when you throw in the competition version with xDrive, that 0 to 60 time drops into the low threes. It's the kind of speed that makes your heart pound, your ears perk, and your brain register that this car means business. Inside it's a mix of sharp tech and driver focus. BMW has loaded it with a curved digital display combining the gauge cluster and the central screen. Features like wireless Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay, and customizable driving profiles are standard. Materials feel high-end, leather, premium surfaces, good bolstering in the seats. When you drive long, the seats hold you in without killing your back. The sound? That twin-turbo rumble, exhaust note, there's emotion in every crackle. If you're concerned about comfort, the M3 isn't totally brutal. Suspension tuning offers multiple modes. In comfort or sport modes, the ride can be reasonably livable. It's not a luxury cruiser, but BMW tries to give you options, sharp and planted when you want it, softer when you don't. Steering is precise. Feedback is better than many rivals. Fuel economy is where you swallow a little pill. It's not great, especially in the performance trims. Expect mid-teens in the city, low 20s on highway for those higher output models. If you're daily driving and budget conscious, those numbers might sting. But if you buy an M3 you probably accept some compromises for excitement. Cargo space is what it is, a performance sedan, not a hatchback. Trunk holds your essentials, gear bag, maybe golf clubs, groceries. Rear seats are usable but tight for very tall passengers. It's not built for hauling big loads, it's built for hauling smiles. Price starts up north of $75,000 to $80,000 for base models. Move to competition or RWD.